Charlie's doing a sing and a dance in the ferns next to my pot. And my friend Lynn's here, and we're just delighting in Charlie's antics because she doesn't normally do this, but it's delightful. What you doing, Charlie? What are you doing? Of course she stops when I video her. Here she goes. It's been raining and we've had a bit of rain the last couple of days, but we haven't had rain for weeks and weeks, and we all feel like desiccated, half dead, dried out corpses, and it's just wonderful seeing the bird delighting in the moisture that's in the fern plants that have grown like weeds out of my strawberry pot. It's actually quite comical. Is that good? Was that good, Charlie? It's a very wet, bedraggled bird now. You gonna sing a song, Charlie? Sing! Sing us a song! Oh my goodness! What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh! You're fern diving like I used to flax dive. It's fun, isn't it? It's fun until you run out of flax and there's a 100-foot drop and I thought I was going to die, but apart from that it was great fun. Yes. Charlie doesn't have to worry about 100-foot drops, do you, Charlie? No, 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 no. Oh my goodness. Good girl.